Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I still think there's a very good likelihood that this is going to make a higher low, and I still think it is going to end up eventually continuing back up, most likely eventually taking out these highs. I think it is more likely an expanding flat or possibly a running flat on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I'm still looking at this push up as a wave 1. I still think this is possibly a big running flat wave 2. I still think this right here is like a 1 of 3. This is possibly a 2 of 3. I still think eventually it is going to go up and make a 3, a 4, and a wave 5. Probably just like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the daily, I still think this is possibly a 1, and I still think this is possibly a 2. To me, it looks like a 1, 2, 3 pattern. I still think it is likely to go up and make a wave 4, and then down again to make a wave 5, and then if it continues to respect the fib level, goes up and breaks structure, that's what's going to turn me into a long-time buyer. Until that happens, I mean, there's definitely a possibility that this just continues to make lower lows, lower highs, and it could even invalidate the wave 2 analysis pretty easily. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, one thing we have to keep in mind is that the trend is down on all the higher time frames. I may think that this may want to go up to make a wave 4, but it definitely doesn't have to. It could continue to make lower lows, lower highs, and it could continue to just keep on trending down. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely does look like 1, 2, 3 waves up with impulsive down. And like I said, all the higher time frame trends are down, so I think that it is definitely very likely and maybe even more likely that it will just keep going down. Now we do have to keep in mind that the higher time frames do kind of tell me that it could keep going up and make a bigger correction like a wave 4, which I still think is pretty likely, but we have to be very, very, very cautious when going long because all the higher time frame prevailing trends are definitely down, and this could easily just keep on going down. So if you are looking for longs, then you are definitely trading against the higher time frame trends, and you probably have a higher probability of having a losing trade, even though to me it does look like it should go up and make some sort of an ABC of 4 before it actually does end up going down. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and gives you access to all my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.